She in the office today, finna make them tumblers. Yes, 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 yes. We finna practice. Hey, 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 hey. We finna do tumblers today. Me and Daddy working, baby. Daddy throwing it back like a Cadillac does. Say, hey, Daddy. He behind the computer. Mama behind the computer. Mama behind the printer. Baby, let it do what it do. Baby, make that money. Don't let it make you. Keep the sleeping on selling bam lamb and working sauce and seasoning at the same time. Baby, you better cook like $1,000,000, honey, and fresh. This heifer gonna be a millionaire no matter what. She doing it all at one time. I'm taking my tumbler apart. Got my gloves ready. Got my tumbler machine. Baby, I got all kinds of stuff. Look at that. All in the floor, DCL print and stuff. And
all right. We ain't gonna get the paper till tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. We got some I just want to practice today.
Yeah. Well,
see, we're just practicing. We practicing. Baby, big girl is on it. She is practicing.
I'm about to cut it first.
Okay. Honey, big girl practicing. Y'all know everything I love, it have to be purple. So, baby, guess what? And I'm watching basketball at the same time in the office. And Daddy got the music bumping and jumping. Honey, it's just a time to be had in here.